Alright, check it out, guys. I'm going to do some live trading for you guys. I'm going to show you guys the stats. You guys can see I'm doing 3 evals at the moment. And yeah, I've been taking a long time for 2 of them. And then this one I added pretty late. But as you guys can see, they are in profit. I'm actually like $900 away from both of these accounts getting funded. And $1,500 away from this one getting funded. But those two, the reason I took long is I did take like a whole week off. Right here, I also almost blew the account. You guys can see it right here, and you can tell from the chart, guys, I was literally $400 away from blowing the account, 2 of the accounts. So this one, 5 and 6, hopefully it loads. Yeah, see, look at this, I was literally $400 away from blowing. And then this one I added pretty late. And yeah, this one I just kept to my rules, guys. I wasn't holding on to losing trades like I did with the other 2 accounts. So consistent trades on this one. And you can you can trade up to 5 funded accounts. So I'm gonna be adding 2 more. The reason I'm gonna be adding 2 more is because there is a 50% discount going on. You can use up to 2, so that will complete me having 5 accounts with them. Hopefully I can get all of them funded. Yeah, and then I'm gonna be trading that. But if you guys want the best discounts, guys, use my code TTC. You can get 50% off 2 accounts. And then after that, 40% off. This 50% off ends today. Hopefully you guys can watch this video before the sale ends. But yeah, guys, I'm going to continue trading this. My strategy is waiting for the 15-minute orb breakout. So we are currently still in the 15-minute range here. We're breaking below now, so I might go short here. But yeah, pretty volatile day here, guys, at the open. And it looks like it wants to break out of this range. This is our range right here. I think this is the first candle of the day. This is where it shot down. So yeah, this is our 15-minute range right here. We wanted it to break either out of it, above or below, and then we'll go and trade in that direction. Looks like it wants to break below, so I might go shorts here. We'll see. We're gonna keep this on and see if we can get a nice position here going. As you guys can see from the beginning, I did try to take into 2 positions earlier right at the open. And yeah, you got to be super careful with this strategy, guys. That you need to really wait for that 15-minute candle close outside that 15-minute range in order to get into that position. So here we're in the 5 minutes. You guys can see we haven't broken out, guys. It's literally testing that bottom of the range, so it might flip and continue going up, and it could break above. So you gotta wait for a nice 5-minute close here on the 5-minute candle before we enter. And you can see, guys, we bounced from the bottom of that range. And there we go, guys. We're bouncing the bottom of that range. All right, guys, I'm probably gonna go short here. We're kind of breaking below here. We're seeing here a down side trend, lower lows, lower highs, breaking below the 15-minute range. So I'm gonna try to go short as close to these EMAs and VWAP as possible. We are kind of far from the 1-minute VWAP, but it does look like the market does want to sell off. But the best entries, it's always pull back to the 1-minute VWAP. But looks like we're gonna have to get in here at the EMAs. But if we do see an aggressive push up, and then we see a push above the EMAs, and yeah, I'm gonna target the VWAP here. And but yeah, we gotta see what happens here, guys. There's so many things that can happen. That's why you always have to watch, because your thought of what can happen next can switch really quick. Like right now, I think it's gonna sell, but this can easily just shoot up, close above the EMAs, close above VWAP, close above the 15-minute open range, and then just continue going up. And then at that point, I'm like, all right, yeah, this is gonna go up. You know, so your decision can change really, really quick. It all depends on what the market does. So, and anything can happen within seconds, a minute. So yeah, I'm thinking of going short, but we got to see what happens here. Like I said, if it pushes up aggressively, closes above the EMAs, closes above the VWAP, then I'm gonna go long. But if we see a push here and then we see another rejection off the VWAP, then I see it slowly grinding down, I'm probably gonna go short. So this is where we just gotta continue watching. We do have news coming up here. I do like using Top Step or Project X for the news, and as you guys can see here, it's currently 9 o'clock. It just turned 9. So here at 9:30, guys, we do have a lot of news. This is gonna move the market a lot. Like, it's gonna be a very volatile day. That's just why the market is reacting how it is right now, because a lot of people don't know if it's gonna go up or down. A lot of people are entering and exiting orders because it's going to be a volatile day, guys. Watch. We're going to see a huge move to either the upside or downside. But that's why we gotta wait and be patient and see where the market's gonna go. But yeah, 9:30, 9:40, 10. Trump talking, guys. Talk when Trump talks, market gets super volatile. So yeah, we're gonna sit here and just watch and see what happens. All right, guys, I'm gonna go short here, just one contract. It looks like the market does want to sell off, so hopefully it doesn't bounce straight up. We're gonna have our stop loss above here, above this level, above the 1 minute VWAP. Hopefully this thing doesn't reverse on us. Hopefully it just continues going down. We are trading below the 15-minute open range, guys. You guys can see the range was top, and then this is the bottom here. And we clearly 5 minutes, guys. We're in the 5 minute. This is the first 5 minute close, but obviously it's not a full candle closure. But right here, guys, we're seeing a full 5 minute closure. It hasn't closed, so it can easily flip and close above. But how many minutes left in this 5 minute candle? Let's see. 5 minute. I like Project X a lot better, to be honest, guys, but I don't like Top Step as a prop firm. So we got about a minute 50 seconds left here in the 5 minute candle. So this could close bearish, but it can also just flip here. So we're gonna see this close here. Hopefully it closes bearish and red here. Yeah, we got about a minute left here in this last 5 minute. All right, guys, we're getting that push down, and we have about 30 seconds left here in this 5 minute candle. I'm gonna move my stop loss now, just because, just at the top of the body of that candle, just to be safe. The market does look super volatile, guys. It can easy flip, so I'm just gonna be super safe. It does look like we're gonna get that 5 minute bearish closure below the 15 minute, and then we get stopped out. But yeah, I kind of want to get a better entry, guys. I do want to think I'm gonna sell here, but I do want to get closer to these EMAs. All right, there goes the market, guys. It's slowly grinding down. But yeah, you guys can see, guys, we did get this 5 minute. We're gonna make these green just because it pops a lot better. But yeah, look, guys, we got that 5 minute closure here, but we're popping back up here, so we gotta just be super careful. So after seeing this 5 minute bearish candle close below, we want to see the market basically retrace into the 15 minute range, and then we gotta decide if we're gonna go short, guys, or if we're gonna just continue waiting. So I do want to go short. I do want to see what happens here, because we can easily push back up to the VWAP and then go back down, and then we're obviously still in the 15 minute range. So the trade is still valid, guys. The setup is still valid for the shorts. But obviously if this thing closes above the VWAP and then closes above the top of the 15 minute range, guys, then it's most likely a buy scenario and your decision flips just like that. So gotta be super careful. All right, guys, I'm gonna go short here. It does look like the market wants to flip downward, so I'm gonna go short here. Accidentally did two contracts. I only want to enter into one, especially in a volatile day, so I'm gonna try to get out of one here pretty quick. Alright, I got out of one. I only want to hold on to one contract, guys. These are 50K accounts. You're okay with just trading one micro. I'm telling you guys. This is how I'm able to be super consistent. Okay, guys, and not blowing these accounts. The reason why I almost lost this account almost 2 months ago was because I overtraded. I wish you were able to click on that day and look at the trades. Yeah, right here, look, guys. Contracts, 10, I'm pretty sure, right? Quantity, 10 contracts. But yeah, completely overtraded. And here we go with the market flipping around. But yeah, we're gonna put our stop loss right above here. Stop loss right above VWAP. My close earlier depends on how aggressively it pushes up. All right, guys, I'm gonna get super tight with my stop loss here now, just because this thing could easily just pull back now. So I'm gonna have my stop above this body now. Now that's kind of bullish. I kind of just want to close now, but we're gonna wait, see if it knocks me out or continues going lower. Yeah, because if it shoots up, guys, and closes above this, it's most likely gonna pull back to these EMAs again, guys, which I can easily re-enter and then just secure profits and also have the opportunity to make more. So hopefully this thing's gonna keep pushing down, guys. So I'm gonna chill a little tighter here, just above the body of these candles here. And then if we see another push down, guys, I'm gonna move my stop loss below the body of these candles, the bottom instead of the top. So hopefully this thing continues pushes down here. I try to secure about $300 per account on 50K accounts, guys. We're pretty much almost there. So we're at about 300 profit there for the day. So yeah, guys, these accounts are almost past. This one's at 1800, and then these two are at almost 2400. So hopefully we can get these funded this week. All right, guys, I'm gonna chill this a little tighter. Stop loss above the candle, this bearish candle here, making new lows here for the day. Trump is supposed to talk here. This thing completely dumps, guys. We can easily get funded today. So yeah, 9:30, guys. It's gonna be pretty volatile here for the next hour or two, pretty much for the rest of the day, guys. So hopefully this thing just continues. All right, there we go, guys. We got stopped out. So 266 for the day. I think we should be good for now. I think continuing trading this is just gonna lead us to taking losses. So we're gonna just call it a day there, guys. You guys can see here, hopefully this thing. All right, guys, so there we go. This is the updated charts for the accounts. As you guys can see, we got two of these have been copy trading for a very long time. Almost blew literally 2 months ago. Look at this, guys, minus 1200. But after that, consistent wins, 1 week off. And obviously here, guys, obviously I take some days off because this is not the only accounts I trade, but these are accounts that I want to be documenting here on my channel to show you guys that trading is possible, and after a while you'll get the hang of it. So yeah, guys, look at this. So we're gonna go through, and then this is the one I just started recently, and obviously this one I stuck to my rules, no losses here, so doing pretty good. Pretty much similar day from yesterday. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna actually be buying adding two more tomorrow. I'm gonna be trading all 5 at the same time. So we're gonna be using 2 of my 50% off TTC. You guys will get the best discount. And yeah, I'm pretty much done trading on this account for the day. Yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, guys. I'm gonna be uploading more of these videos and keeping you guys up to date with these Lucid trading accounts. And they also just launched a new trading platform, OpenSea, which I'm also gonna be trading. I'll be getting 5 accounts and copy trading on that new platform once I get these 5 accounts funded on the Tradeovate platform. So yeah. All right, guys, so since I am trading 3 and I'm doing pretty good, as you guys can see, I'm almost funded on both of these. And then as well, I'm almost funded on this one. As you guys can see, guys, super consistent here. Basically no losses on this account, guys. I started pretty late, later than these, and these I've been trading for a while, guys, because I almost blew them, as you guys can see, literally like $400 away. And then this one, obviously, I took a really big loss. I took a whole week off, and then obviously several days off as well. But I got back into the game, and I locked in once I added this one, and I've been copy trading them all. And I only been trading 3, so obviously you're allowed to have copy trade 500 accounts at once. And I do have the 50% off on 2 accounts, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go buy 2 of these, guys. I'm not sure which one I want to buy. I think I'm gonna do the flex ones, just because the other 3 are already flex accounts. And I'm actually gonna look at the difference here for a minute to decide if I want to do flex accounts or if I'm gonna go with these new pro accounts. All right, yeah, guys, I decided I'm gonna go with the 50k flex evals. I just think the rules are better and the price is cheaper, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy 2 of these, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and buy 2 of the Tradeovate, since the other 3 are already on Tradeovate. But once I have 5 of them funded and trading together, guys, I'm gonna do the same thing I did with Tradeovate. I'm gonna do it on this new Trade C platform that I actually been trading on, guys. I've been testing it out, as you guys can see here. I've been all last week, and obviously this is a demo account. And even last week, guys, I was trading it every single day, and then every single day this week so far. But yeah, I really like this platform. So once we're done with 5 of these funded accounts, we're gonna go ahead and do 5 on the Trade C platform. But for right now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and buy 2 of these. And all you guys have to do is use my code TTC, and you guys can get the 50% off code. As you guys can see, TTC, 50% off, $65 for the flex. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy 2 of these, and I'll show you guys when they're all on my leaderboard together. All right, you guys can see, there we go. I added 1 account, 150k flex eval. I use my code, and let's go and see if we have. So yeah, we have this one pending. So we're gonna be copy trading all these together, guys, and we're gonna add 1 more here. And there we go, guys. We just bought the second one. So we're gonna go here to our account details, and as you guys can see, we got 3 of these already trading. We just activated this brand new one, or actually, yeah, this brand new one down here, and then this one will be activated in 5. So we'll be copy trading 5 at the same time. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so we got 5 accounts here now. And now we're gonna move them over here to copy trading them all at the same time. Turn it on, update this, and we're gonna add all these. So now we got 5 of them. So yeah, starting tomorrow, guys, we're gonna be copy trading 5 of these. And as you guys can see, we traded 3 of them. So yeah, guys, we're ready to roll tomorrow. Update this real quick. This one's still pending. But yeah, we're ready to roll for tomorrow, guys. I'm done trading for today on this account, and hopefully we can get these funded at the end of the week. Please use code TTC, guys. Get the best discount. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.